Click on username. Click IP allow list. IP has been added successfully. Click API. Count select as needed. The country takes India as an example. The protocol is HTTP. Select sticky IP. Click to generate API link and open the link. Copy one of the proxy IPs. Open the browser and click New Browser. Give the server a name. Click to create a new profile. The proxy type is HTTP. Then click Connect Test. IP detection successful. Click Save. Click Create Browser. The browser is created successfully. Click to launch. The proxy IP address has been successfully transferred to India.